Hi, I'm Gwen, and I'm going to go through the steps of how to install ET on your computer. First, I'm going to send you the license detail sheet. This is where I've gone to CAT and licensed your computer. Okay, once you've received the first email with your detail sheet, you're going to get a second email, and this will be for the download. Once you receive that, you're going to hit the open button, and it is going to go and show you the download. You click on the download, and once it's finished downloading all the software, you're going to see this arrow, downloads. You can click on this arrow, or you can go to your file in your computer that has the downloads to it. You will see the ET icon with the latest version. Once you click on that, it is going to show an icon on your desktop. You need to click on it. And it is going to download. You're going to need to give it permission to make changes on your computer. Once it makes the changes and downloads the information, you're going to receive this screen. You're going to choose the online. And then it's going to activate the license. You're going to choose next. It's going to take you to this screen. This screen is going to need to have the activation number, the company name, and the serial number of the computer from the first email I gave you with the license detail sheet information on it. Once you enter all of that information, hit the activate button, and it will show you where it's activating. And once it's done, you are ready to connect the COM adapter to the machine and the computer, and you will get all of your information from troubleshooting to fault codes and everything. If you have any questions or concerns about this download, any problems getting it started, please call me and I'll walk you through it.